Тынг, лайк Тесла.
Well, I discovered a second bug in my layout here. I forgot to put the pin 1 markers on these ICs here. And actually, if you go back and look at the PCB layout, these 4 on the bottom are actually rotated 180 degrees relative to these. So, these are soldered in wrongly. Hopefully, applying power wrongly didn't damage them. We are about to find out, though. Okay, who just wrapped up these components here with Kapton tape to protect them and then desoldered these chips? This guy did. Almost there. Increasingly messy workbench here. There's one in every crowd, isn't there? Okay, it's a fair bit harder than I expected to get these things in there, but I think they're in there enough for a quick test here. Got a simple port here. It's missing 1 pin, so it's keyed. And the processor is also missing 1 pin, so let's make sure those line up. There we go. This will be able to tuck back in here better once it's all up and running. And the moment of truth. At risk of leaving the impression that I tried it once, didn't work, and I just gave up on the project, I'm going to call the video here. I'm going to end it and move on to other things. There is some troubleshooting left to do in here, possibly mostly in software, but I'm going to keep working on that on the side, and I will let you guys know how it goes, and move on to more Teslonic things. All right, thanks everyone.